Hello and welcome back. So let's add some access limiting to everything else since we have the functions to do that now. So the first thing we need to do is limit the schools switching here. Okay, so in order to switch a school, you have to be a super admin. So in here, if I hover on the switch to, you see there's a link down below here that shows me where it goes, and that's the switch school. So for some reason, if somebody gets a hold of that link, they shouldn't be able to do it still if they are not a super admin. So let's do that limiting now. So in order to limit that, we just need this access, and I'll copy that. So now we'll go to the switch school controller, because this one doesn't even have a view, so it only does this switch school and redirects. Okay, so the redirecting, no problem, we want to be able to redirect, it's just we don't want to be able to switch schools. So I'll put an if statement here like this. So here it's only for super admin, like so. So if you are a super admin, no problem. If you'll not be able to switch schools. So let's test that just to make sure we are on the same page. I'll go to staff members and let me get one admin of this particular school. So this one is John. Let's log out, log in as John. Password. Okay, so now we have the schools thingy, and if I try, this is the school we have now. I want to switch to the first one, so if I click switch, it refreshes, but you see the school has not changed. So this way it's hack proof. Yes. Now since these guys can't even change the whole thing here, they shouldn't even be able to see that there's a page like this which exists, right? Now before we close the whole page, we have to proof all the buttons that are here. So for example, add new school should be limited as well. We should have no access to this either. Same thing with the delete school and edit school, right? So we already know how to do these things. So it's schools delete, schools edit, and schools add. So all of these should be proofed. So let's go ahead and do that. So this one works already. Switch school, good. Now let's try, let me close all the other files here. Let's go to the schools controller. So this is where we read the schools. I'll leave this for now. And I just want to see where we edit a school, if we can limit that. So here we will put something here on the post. So I'm just going to say and, like this. Oops, that's the wrong thing, obviously. So auth access. And what access do we want? This one to be super admin. Super admin, like this. So I'll copy this super admin here. So that's the access required in order to edit something here. So let me see that in action. I am not a super admin right now. So if I click edit and try to add a number here and click save, let me cancel this, refresh, you see that it hasn't changed. I can't switch, I cannot edit either. Okay, so this is good. Things are working out. Let's limit the delete as well. So I'll go to the delete, and right here where it says post, same thing, paste super admin. So now I cannot delete this. Okay, so unexpected token, and okay, I had added 2 of those. So are you sure you want to delete? Yes, but you see nothing is happening. If I want to delete, nothing. Okay, so that's good. Let's do the same thing to the add new. We don't want anyone to add anything new here. And where do we get that? It's in the add. So same thing, paste. Cool. So since we can't add, let's try that. So I'll just say new school, create, nothing. Console, you see that I haven't created any new schools here. So this, that, and or this are not working now if you're not a super admin. So this is good enough to close this chapter of the page. So let's close the page. So we'll go to the view part here and close it. But first, let's close the other ones, the edit, the delete, and so on. So we'll close them by saying if, like this. If you're a super admin, then you have authority. So like this, boom. And let's add that else statement. Actually, instead of having to retype in, type, let me just, where was that? In the classes.php. That's where I had added that. Or was it? Yep, right here. If I own the content, now the thing is, maybe we should allow all super admins to be able to delete and edit schools. That way, at least we don't have rogue schools that cannot be deleted, right? Because super admin is like the ultimate. So we don't need to put the I own content at all. We just need to check if they're a super admin and we can give them access. I wanted to copy this here. So to schools, boom, access denied. Good. So if you're a super admin, that's good. Come down here. Let me put the else statement as well. Push this inward. And then copy that. Okay. Okay, so we only check for the super admin status. That way any school can be deleted by any super admin. So we've done that in the delete, we've done that in the edit, yes. In the add as well. Let's do that. Move this here. And let me copy that again. Okay, good. So let's test those. Add access denied. Delete access denied. Edit access denied. Then now we can deny access to the whole page. So layers of security, huh? Now let's go to the whole page and deny access. So right here, paste that. Move this here. And let's copy the oath of super admin. Paste it here. Like that. Okay. So now if I try to view this page, access denied. So I could maybe know the link and type it /schools. I'll get access denied. Now I could edit what the access denied page does. This is the cool part of giving a specific page to do this. So I can add something like H4 and say you don't have the right privilege to access this content, like this. So you can put some more messaging there. That's entirely up to you. And this will show up on every page that you use where the access is denied. Let's see here. This alert maybe should have been on this one. Let's see here. Okay, something like so. And let's add. You can decorate as needed. Put some images there if you want. Make it funny. Okay, so access denied to schools. Now, since the access is denied to schools, we don't really need to see this school's link over here either. So what we will do is the same thing we're doing here with the if auth, like so. We will do that in the nav bar. So go to the nav bar here and write on schools, which is this one. I'll put my if statement like this and PHP tags like that. Yes. And then I will close that PHP tag. And if, right? Like so. Okay, so that's more secure. This is only for super admins. So now if I refresh, I don't even see that in there. So if for some reason I type schools there, trying to bypass the system, I'll have no luck, right? Access denied. Goody. So that's how we do it. Now let's do the same thing for staff members. So staff members, only admins will be able to see this. Now, luckily here, there's no edit, delete. Oh, there is add new, right? Boom. But add new takes us to the sign up page, which we only need super admins to be able to access. So in the same way, we're going to go up to the sign up controller. So in the sign up controller, we're not even supposed to see any of this. So here, validate, post, and then we have this part here where it inserts. But I needed to be able to redirect, so I'll just put the if statement right on the insert. Oh, it was already an if statement. Like this. Yes, yes. This way, no matter what I do, if I try to add a user, that user will not be added at all. Let's try that, and let's try mail. Let me put a 2 there. Select a rank and a password and password. Let's see if we can add a user. No, we cannot. So you see the user was not added. So we've proofed it. Now we don't need to even show it at all. So in order to prohibit that view, we'll do the same thing here. So if auth super admin, if that is not true, we'll go to, let's see, schools. I just want to copy this part, the access denied part, paste like that. Good. Okay, so if I'm not a super admin, I can't see this page at all, and I can't even post at all. So if I now refresh, I'll get access denied. Good. So if I go now to staff members, I click there, no access, no bueno. And here, I also need to make the staff thingy disappear. Now, oh, wait a minute. Actually, this is not a super admin thing. This is an admin thing. So sorry about that. Let's remove all the supers here in the thingy here. Okay, super admin. Good. So the admin can add somebody. Okay, good. So sign up. Where else did I change something? Let me add here. Okay, so I can still see this, but I can't select a super admin rank. So now the problem here is, if somebody is an admin, they can use a different form to add, because as long as they add the super underscore admin thingy here, they'll be able to set themselves as a super admin. So we don't want that to happen, right? So what we will do before inserting is to check the rank. So if access is admin, let's do one more thing here. Okay, So if access is admin, that is good. We are supposed to check if the person is a super admin. So we'll say if, in our case, the post rank, okay, is equal to super admin, because that's the most dangerous. So if this is equal to a super admin, good. So what do we do in that case? If the rank is equal to super admin and the current selected user, here actually you have to be logged in to do this. So let's put this code up here. I'll copy this, come up here, and let's put that code here. Otherwise we send you to the login page. So we have to check for the, let me go to the auth model, this session user, copy, in the sign up. So to sign up, you can be an admin, but we don't want you to set yourself as super admin, for example. So if I paste here, boom, and then I say and session user rank is not equal to super admin, like this. So if somebody has set the rank to super admin and their rank is not super admin, okay, then let's change this. We don't want to argue with anyone, we just want to change it to admin, just like that. So we'll downgrade them before they can do something to sabotage our website. So security features done here. And now we can finally, let me cancel this. We can finally hide this page. So add new, good. Let's hide this page to non-admins. So I will put access denied, which we have already done here. And let's remove it from the navbar. So same thing we've done here. Let's go to staff members and put an end if as well here. And then we can, let's move this in. Let's change this to admin. So staff members is for admin. Good. And also we need to go to the users.php, which is the same one here, this page here, and limit it to only be viewable to admins. So back to schools here, so I can copy this, copy, back to users, because users is the one that displays the members of staff. So move that, and let's get the else statement as well, and back here, paste. Okay, so let's remove from super admin to admin, like this. Okay, since I'm an admin here, I should be able to see everything as it is, but let's try and log in as, let's see here, a lecturer or a receptionist. Either one will do. Let's look at the lecturer. That's vibe@yahoo.com. Copy that. Let's log out. Log in as this guy. Password. Enter. So now here I can't see staff members. If I just type it in their users, I get access denied. Okay, so pretty good. Now we need to do the same thing here, schools and staff right here, because these links are the same. So let me go to the nav and copy that. Let me go to the dashboard, which is the home page here, home.view. And right here where we have this whole div for school, I would do this, super admin access only. Close that tag, with end if, like that. Good. And then staff members, same thing, only that this one is admin. And then close this with that one, like this. Okay. Now if I come back to the dashboard, I should see a reduced number of items like this. Okay, so good. We have limited access to what we want now. I will see you in the next video.